There are 4 types of thinking: disastrous thinking, negative thinking, positive thinking, and miraculous thinking. I put miraculous thinking in the forefront in every word that I speak, not positive thinking. Miraculous thinking. Jesus Christ said, "You can create greater miracles than I have done." That is a statement of Jesus Christ. So everybody is capable of creating miracles by adopting miraculous thinking. It is spiritual scientific logic. Whenever you open your mouth, your words should be miraculous words. Yes, you can do it. As Dr. Karthikeyanji, nothing is impossible. So in 10 years, we should change the whole world. Where is the question of impossibility in it? There's no way. When so many great masters are together, it is a team effort. It's a togetherness effort. It will create the whole world, change the whole world. One Gandhiji created a big movement in the whole of India, and British had to leave India. Non-violence, not through violence. If Gandhiji could do that, we all can do that. We will do that. We can do that, and we will do that.